president nama national officials ngibulise futhi kwindlu yonkana with the new leadership yase Limpopo that has just been confirmed. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. As it has been explained, now you are going to go in your separate corners as different regions to identify comrades that you are going to recommend as leaders in the regions. And this is going to be used as a formula for also when you go to the sub-regions. Now, as it has been explained, this is not a conference, and we know Comrade Tomunye yesterday mentioned it. Our party conducts its business right now based on the principle of democratic centralism. So you are going to identify and recommend. So here is the guideline when you do that. What we're really looking at in terms of leadership, we have to be very careful and we have to think, what type of cadres are we going to identify leadership? So we have to make sure we go study our constitution because kunama values in the constitution of MKP that says this is how a cadre or a revolutionary of MKP is supposed to behave. So look at those values that you are thinking that should be part of the leadership. Do they exhibit those characteristics? Does that person live the values of MKP? Because in Mpela, we want leaders that are going to be in touch with the people. Leaders who will come there not to represent themselves and their own self-interests, but to represent abantu base Limpopo, because at the end we're looking at taking over this country. Now we're not going to do this thing ngoba ubrawam ngoba umuntu engazana naye ngoba sidla sonke, not here, angithi. So here is how it's going to be done. So look at, we know ukuthi history yethu as abantu abamnyama iphuma. Yes, ama educational qualifications abalulekile, kodwa they are not going to be a criteria necessarily. Mawufundile siyabonga and siyathanda vele ukuthi masifundile. Kodwa we are not going to disadvantage comrades abangakhona ngokuthola ithuba. Kuukuthi kodwa they are capacitated and they have a proven record. Now we are going to advise you ukuthi, I'm sure in communication fanele niletha ama CV and basho ukuthi these are the things that you are going to make sure ukuthi are included. What we are really looking at, siyafuna ukubona your political activism. Siyafuna ukubona ukuthi you have a track record eyokuthi you have led somewhere. Noma ngaba abantu abayi-3. Ngoba of course, once nje naba abantu abayi-3, somebody has to lead, you know. Otherwise kuba yi-anarchy. Now, abanye abantu have not gotten that chance of leading somewhere. Kodwa we have observed ukuthi makune project nyana, immediately they take a leadership role. And we should be able to say, asimnikeni chance to comrade. And when we look at the values of Umkhonto weSizwe, they embody that. Now, singa didegini and ngiyacela bakwethu. We know ukuthi infiltration, whether we like to pronounce it or not, ikhona. Ngoba iphathi yethu uComrade President yesterday uyicacise kahle even nange 16 when we were here. Iphathi yethu is under threat. Asibalalisi onxiwa nkulu. Basifuna singekho like yesterday. And how are they going to do that now? They are going to send their own people who are going to wear the t-shirts like us, bagqoka ama-cap njengathi, bashaya itoyitoyi njengathi. Kodwa leyo nto ayisho ukuthi masiloko sitreatana ngesuspicion, no. Masingenzini kanjalo. Kodwa umuntu into ayikhulumayo nento ayenza izositshela siloko sibhekile sizithulele. Simbona ukuthi yena ukhuluma njengathi ucula njengathi kodwa akusowethu. Ne? Kodwa masingatrithani ngazi ukuthi siyasolana. Otherwise enemy will want that as well. So I am saying i guideline eninikwe yona izohamba kanje. we will add other things in the guideline that you have been given, so that sazi ukuthi these are the things that are important that we want to know about this person that you are identifying. Ne? And another important, please comrades, be honest and truthful when you do your profiles. Ngoba iqiniso, we are going to check that information that you are going to give us. Manje kuyoba kubi. Ngoba it will make us ask ourselves, what made you to lie to an extent ukuthi uzuqamba mangoba ufuna ukuya ku leadership position? Why do you want it so desperately like that? Uzoyenza ukuthi isole. Therefore, ngicela ukuthi masibhala, number 1, sibe very truthful, and siyafuna ukuthi nibeke nama references abantu esizokhona ukuthi sibabuze ukuthi is it true le information ebhalwe kulo comrade na. My other thing, into no, unfortunately, umuntu one criminal record, not unless a criminal record eyenzeke before 1994, ne? But umuntu one criminal, yeah, umuntu one criminal record eyokuthi related to the struggle, and even now maybe on a criminal record kodwa that has to do with the struggle, it's something different. Ne? And another thing eyokugcina that I want to say is that, comrades, ngiyacela bandla ukuthi let us do this thing. Engqondweni yethu sine vision yala siya khona as EMKP. Isibonelo esisibonile namhlanje, I really want to commend you. I want to commend you, Comrade Virginia. Unkhumbuze indaba yaka King Solomon owaletha iwisdom. Mabaletha kuye ukuthi nango umntwana manje owami lo mntwana oshonile no akuso owami ophilayo oshonile akuso wami so wenza ne wisdom, and then omunye umama obowakhe umntwana wathi for the sake yokuthi lo mntwana aphile, I know ukuthi owami utho wakhe makamthathe, you know. So I am not saying by saying that anything that has to do with Comrade Charmaine, no. Ngicela ukuthi ningathi lento engiyikhulumayo has anything no Comrade Charmaine. Comrade Charmaine uzibonakalisile leadership here. That is why abantu abangaka bavungamile ukuthi they want Comrade Charmaine ukuthi angene, which is why in national leadership ibonile ukuthi Comrade Charmaine without ukuthi angenile sizobe iunity singayenzanga. So siyacela ke bakwethu ukuthi masenze kanjalo, sikhumbuleni ukuthi this is all about the MK party iyothola i2/3 majority. This is all about the MK party iwine ama local government elections. Iqiniso lodwa la masesisa